everybody, I'm going to show you my earthquakes, two earthquakes places. One is the place is Bihar, the earthquake took place in 1934, and one is Alaska, which took place in 1964. So first we go with the Bihar one. It took place somewhere, and the 1934 Bihar earthquake was one of the worst earthquakes in Indian history. Some 30,000 people were dead and some places were completely destroyed. The magnitude of the earthquake was 8.1, the earthquake took place on January 15, 1934 around 2:13 p.m. and it caused a lot of damage in Bihar and in Nepal. The event was located in the eastern Nepal, about 240 km away from Kathmandu. As you can see in the image, it's like the house is kind of damaged. That happened. The picture is taken after the earthquake. So now we go to Alaska earthquake, which is in United States of America. So, Alaska earthquake. In the 1964 Alaskan earthquake, also known as the Great Alaskan Earthquake, the Poichu earthquake, and Good Friday earthquake. This earthquake it began at 5:36 p.m. and took place on Friday, March 27, on the Good Friday, 1964. The tsunamis, because of the earthquake, a tsunami took place which caused about 143 deaths. The link is the link for the image. Now I will show you two places where volcano took place. One is in Hawaii and one is in Colombia. So first we go to the Hawaii one. So this is Hawaii, where the volcano took place. Manu Law is one of the 5 volcanoes that form the island of Hawaii in the United States of America in the Pacific Ocean. The largest on Earth in terms of volume and areas covered. The height of the was 18,000 cubic miles, which is 75,000 kilometers. Although the peak is only 120 feet, which is 37 meters. So now we go to the Colombia volcano. It took place on the November 13th, 1985. On November 13, 1985, a small eruption produced an enormous layer that bodied and destroyed the town of Emura in Tolima, causing an estimated 25,000 deaths. This even later became known as the Emura tragedy. The deadliest LR is in the record of history. The link is for the image. Thank you for listening my volcano and earthquake case study.